Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy baked chicken just using a few ingredients. So let's get started. All right, so what we want to first do is make sure we wash our chicken. We're going to have our ingredients already pre-prepped so we can make this quick. We're going to chop up onions, lemons. We're going to use salt, pepper, and whatever other seasoning you'd like. Our 9x13 pan with all of our seasonings, the salt, the pepper, whatever other seasonings you want. After that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our onions, our garlic, and our lemons. We're just going to lightly cover it. We're going to grab our chicken, we're going to score it, and then we're going to add salt and pepper to the top and make sure it's nice and coated. All right, so we have our chicken breast. I'm going to go and I'm going to slice it, not all the way through, but about halfway through. This will actually help for cooking times. It'll make it a little bit quicker, make sure that it gets cooked all the way through. What I'm doing is I'm going each direction, making sure we got little grooves inside of it, as you can see here. This way we can get all the flavor in those gaps. On the bottom, for the fact that it's already going to have salt and pepper and the other seasonings on the bottom of our 9x13 pan. Nice and seasoned. Go ahead and throw it in our 9x13. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to repeat the process on all of our other chicken breasts. We're going to grab our garlic. We're just going to sprinkle that, kind of work it into the grooves that we cut. As for the garlic, I have about 4 cloves that I have minced up here. Onions, we diced up 1 medium onion. We're just going to sprinkle those on the top. All right, there you have it. That is what it should look like. We're going to pop this in the oven at 400 degrees for about half an hour. Check it, make sure it's 165 degrees all the way through. But like I said previously, with those slits cut inside of it, it should bake a lot faster. Let's throw it in the oven. I finished the cooking off on broil on high for about 5 minutes just to kind of give it a crispier layer on top. You can smell the lemon, you can smell the garlic and the onions. I have a feeling once we cut into this, it's gonna be mouth-watering and delicious. As I was plating this, I hit it with the honey mustard sauce to give it just a little bit more flavor. But you can smell the onions, the garlic, you can smell the salt, the pepper. And it's delicious too. We got a nice little crisp on our cauliflower. That Dan the Flavor Guy seasoning gives it just the right amount of kick. This is delicious. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you again next time.